Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable overdrive on KOORUI 24E4. Overdrive is an option that simply shortens the reaction time, shortens the delay on your monitor, and if you want to enable it, go to the M button to go to menu, then use the right arrow twice to go to game and click on E button to enter it. Now you're in OD, which means overdrive, and you can simply click on E to enter the setting and go to the right or left to turn it on or off. I'll leave it on and click on E to approve, then M button 3 times to exit the menu. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.